Hi guys, welcome to Maria Cooks with Love. This is me. So today I want to say guys, we are much better, 90% recovery. So I am super happy and super blessed for that. So Pepe has a COVID. The 3 days test, they say he have COVID. Allison too, Aaron too. So Allison, she feel tired, really tired, and that's it. She no have fever, nothing. Aaron, she have fever for 2 days, and that's it. Pepe, he have back pain, joint pain, in elbows, in knees, headache, and cough. So Allison, she feel super tired just for 1 day. I say again, and that's it. She's perfect. Aaron too. He both have a lot of energy. So I'm gonna share today because I finished the tea with my aunt bring me, so I make more. I wanna share with y'all guys this tea, but first thank you so much for your prayers, for your love. I'm gonna send hugs and kisses. Thank you so much again guys. And this tea, my aunt bring me the stuff on my porch, and I make more. I'm sorry, I drink a little bit hot, not too hot, but hot, for 3 times a day, 6 ounces. So this tea my aunt make when somebody is sick on flu. I drink this too when I have flu on December, or you have cold, or if you are sick. So I drink only Pepe and me. I don't give to my kids because don't like it. So my kids don't like it, but this tea help us a lot with the cough. Okay, so let's do it. So the only who has not is positive of COVID is my dog. So we are super better guys. Thank you so much. So if you are sick, and I hope you're not, this tea is perfect for you. And God bless you. God bless you. God bless your family. And I continue pray for y'all. And I have my dog, my no human son. His name is Kiwi. Kiwi. Hi, Papa. So Aaron is here. He gonna show you the teeth brush, lighty teeth brush. Say bye. So here's Allison. She wanna say something.
Thank you for your prayers and God bless you.
Say bye.
Bye.
I got ready the ingredients. I'm gonna use 2 orange, 2 limes. This one already washed and really good, because we're gonna use with skin. 2 small red onions, 8 garlics. These ones are big, but if you have a small, maybe you put 12 garlics. My aunt gave me these bags ready, but this bag has ginger and hibiscus flower. So maybe it's a cup of ginger and 1 cup of hibiscus flower. These bags, she put me 4 sticks, big stick of cinnamon. 1 punch, I think, is a half a cup of eucalyptus. She put here 2 tablespoons of turmeric, and inside also has let me found cloves. 1 tablespoon of cloves is here. So she make this tea when and honey, local honey. She give me this container of honey. So she make this tea when she's sick, and when my cousins are sick, when she's husband are sick, when everybody is sick, and I drink this tea. She make it a gallon for me the past a week, and I drink this tea for 3 times a day, just hot. So I'm gonna reserve the honey because we need the honey to put the last when you are ready to drink. I'm gonna leave below in the description of this video the all ingredients. I'm gonna use this big pot. I'm gonna make 3 gallons, but the water need to reduce, so maybe I got 2 gallons of this tea. So one big pot and water. So the first I'm gonna do, I'm gonna preheat my water. I'm gonna reserve these 2 bags because they're ready to use. So I'm gonna cut in slices the onions, and I'm gonna smash a little bit the garlics, and also I'm gonna cut the orange and 4 and the limes too. So I finished to cut the ingredients. I cut in slices and 4 and 4 and smash a little bit. And also she put me in this bag 8 allspice. So 8 of this pepper. So I finished to cut my oil ingredients. I'm gonna add the oil ingredients in the water. This one has the hibiscus and the ginger, and this one has the cinnamon, the eucalyptus, the turmeric, the cloves, and oh my goodness, the allspices. So like this. Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna add the orange. Yes, I'm gonna squeeze like a little bit like that, and I'm gonna add like this. Like this. And I'm gonna add the rest of these ingredients, and I'm gonna mix it really good, and I'm gonna let to boil. When it start boil, I'm gonna let to boil for 15 minutes. So guys, start boil. Take 20 minutes to start boil because it's a lot of water. So now I'm gonna let to boil. I'm gonna mix it, and I'm gonna let to boil for 15 minutes. Look how the colors are. So for 15 minutes I'm gonna put the lid, and I'm gonna leave like that for 15 minutes. So 15 minutes pass, and I'm gonna turn off the stove, and that's it, guys. Oh my goodness, this tea has a power. So I'm gonna let it cool a little bit, and I'm gonna serve it, and I'm gonna tell you what happened next. I got ready the tea, guys, and looks how looks. So don't eat the orange of the rest of ingredients, just drink the tea. I got here probably 6 ounces. I'm gonna add honey, local honey. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon. If you like more sweeter, you can add a little bit more. Just make sure your tea is a little bit cold to still have the benefits of the honey. And I'm gonna put the juice of the half lime like this. Let me take this. Okay, so and that's it, guys. It's ready to drink, and I I say again, I drink this tea in the past week 3 times a day, in the morning, in the evening, and before bedtime. So I got the tea, guys. I'm gonna try for y'all. Don't taste like sweet tea or coffee or soda, but it's very healthy. So thank you for watching this video, and thank you for my aunt. His name is Teresa. In Spanish, Teresa. I don't know really good in English. Teresa. So thank you for my aunt to for share with us the recipe. Bye guys, and I hope you have a wonderful and blessed day or night.